At 13, she was kidnapped and gang raped. For the past 10 years, her politically connected attacker has remained free, even marrying. Now, finally, a trial can begin. Neha Masih reports on what's behind this confounding delay.
10 years after the gang rape of a minor by 6 boys in 2005, a fast-track court in Lucknow has accepted the juvenile board's decision that the main accused, Gaurav Shukla, was an adult at the time of crime.
The court observed that the decision passed by the Juvenile Justice Board is right in all manner, and the date of birth is 14/3/87, and at the time of incidence, the main accused was Major.
So the trial is finally set to begin, and charges against Shukla will be framed by the court in the next hearing. The accused plans to move the High Court for a revision.
We have full respect for the orders of the court, but this order is an ex-party order. We have not been given opportunity to place our arguments, and we shall go to the higher court against this order.
Activists point out that it's been a long and lonely battle for the girl.
जो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी थी उसमें से पढ़ाई करवा रहे हैं, ट्यूशन लगवाया। ट्यूशन में भी हम लोग को बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ता है कि हम किससे ट्यूशन पढ़ा रहे हैं। वो लड़कों से इतना डरती है कि किसी भी लड़के के पास ट्यूशन नहीं पढ़ सकती, किसी लड़के से बात नहीं कर सकती, डरती है वो। ऑटो में भी जाती तो डरती कि बगल में कोई लड़का ना बैठा। तो वो जो ट्रॉमा वो झेल रही है वो बहुत जबरदस्त है।
The rape survivors from an impoverished family who did not even have money to afford a lawyer, while the accused is the nephew of a Samajwadi Party leader. With money and political clout, he used legal loopholes to evade the law for 10 long years, even as the other accused in the case got convicted. The final order will still take time, but the brave survivor says she is hopeful now that the trial will finally begin.
हम 10 साल लड़े हैं और हम अंतिम तक लड़ेंगे जब तक मुझे इंसाफ नहीं मिल जाता है।
With camera person Ramesh Verma in Lucknow, Neha Masih for NDTV.